8 optical illusions that'll make you question your brain. 8. These squares are actually the same color. Hold your finger over the boundary between the two shapes and see them change. The corn-sweet illusion exploits the brain's lateral inhibition, which creates more contrast between the two objects when they have different colored edges. 7. Cars. These cars look like they're different sizes, but in reality, they're all the same. The Ponzo illusion works because our brain judges an object's size based on its perceived distance. The third car seems further away, so it looks much bigger. 6. Checkers. You won't believe it, but the squares marked A and B are actually the exact same shade of grey. Our brains automatically adjust colour based on surrounding shadows, since B is in the shade of the green cylinder, but it's still the same colour as A, because the brain believes that it's a lighter shade of grey. This replica proves it. Don't believe us? Import the image to Photoshop and compare the squares. Both have the hex colour value 787878. Unbelievable. 5. The dinosaur's eyes follow you wherever you go. This one's freaky. The hollow face illusion works because our brains perceive objects differently when we recognize them as faces. Although the right eye of the dinosaur gets farther as you move, your brain believes the distance is closer than it really is. 4. At first, they look like 3 attractive women. But flip the image upside down and you'll see a very different picture. How would you like to take one of these ladies on a date? There are specific parts of your brain dedicated to face perception, but we rarely encounter upside-down faces, so when we do, it's very difficult to spot any distortion. 3. Okay, here's another mind trick. These overlapping circles are actually perfectly round and don't touch at all. Can you see past the illusion? 2. Yellow and blue bar. These yellow and blue blocks appear to move one after the other, right? When the black bars are removed, you'll see that they're always parallel and that the black bars are distorting your brain's perception of movement. Don't feel bad though. Cats get fooled by this trickery too. Doesn't it look like the cat's running is animated? 1. This is a classic too. Depending on which side of the brain you're using, the woman will spin either clockwise, right and creative side of the brain, or anti-clockwise, left and logic side of the brain. Which side are you using right now?
Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. Check out one of these videos and don't forget to subscribe to support more videos.